Experts say this camera is sure to get the job done for amateurs and pros alike. With a 33-megapixel sensor, it'll capture in great detail the scenes you shoot. Note that it is a full-frame sensor, which will allow you to work in less than ideal lighting situations should the need arise. Rtings.com writes it's the best full-frame mirrorless camera we've tested. They note that part of the reason for its high ranking is because in addition to it taking quality stills, it also has excellent video recording capabilities. And when it comes to video, this camera gives you 4K 60p and 10-bit with no recording time limit. TechRadar writes, we found the A7 IV to have class-leading autofocus skills, which is of course important if you're photographing moving objects. And if you are taking action shots, this camera offers up to 10 frames per second shooting. Lastly, this is also a good option for vloggers with its side opening screen that articulates. This means it can be spun to face forward.